Hello beautiful fam, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Olajumoke, and in today's video I'll be showing you a method you can use in stretching your natural hair without using it. This hairstyle can also serve as a protective hairstyle for your natural hair. So let's just get right into today's video. So I'll be spraying water on the hair to moisturize the hair a bit. Then I'm going to part the hair. I'll be using thread for this hairstyle. Know also that you can use yarn or wool for this hairstyle, but I'm using a black thread. So I'll be parting our hair into a small section. So I'll place the thread on the hair and make sure there's a bit of allowance down the hair. Then I'm going to start threading. I thread like double down the roots, then I give a space, then I go back to the roots again, and I keep on threading. So I'm going to be giving the hair space as I'm threading. As you can see, I'm giving it some space before threading. So this is just a simple way to stretch your natural hair without applying it to your hair. When I get to the hair tip, I won't give the hair spaces again. I'm just going to thread along, and I'm going to give the thread a knot.